everybody. This time I am going to teach you a new technique. So this is called triangular spreading technique. So first we keep a domino here, then we take two dominoes and we keep it like this. And carefully if you see, the first domino is tapping these both two dominoes. And after when you start building three, you see these three dominoes. This one domino is hitting these two and this another is hitting this one. And after it keep on goes. So we can build how much we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much we want. So this is called triangular spreading technique. And after that we build a domino line. So let's stop it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.